Pieces. Hi, welcome back. September 2021. If you are going to look at main things as tiny bit fickle in their everyday life, pieces are going to have a period of continuous and up and downs. They will experience mood swings and days in which they are most optimistic and enthusiastic. Also, days in which they are wore down. It would be a good idea for them to pay attention to the emotions and try to solve the chaotic state of mind in which they are in all by themselves. It's very likely the stars are going to bring them a work trip or they may be transferred for a professional matter. They will be a beneficial for professions and but not so good for them those of them who are more focused on family while accepting a promotion could bring them great money benefits where they may still jeopardize their most important relationship. Pieces will also uh, need to let go of what no longer serves them will well if they want to advance in their career in September. They as well need to give more importance to their family, so their children especially. If they decide to take a work trip, they should spend as much free time in as possible with their loved ones just before leaving. Love horoscope for September. Neptune being to in retrograde in the second of the Aquarius can change the wrong perception that you have of your own person and the things you believed in. This month, Chiran retrograde will make you see things realistic matter. Chiran will be in the retrograde and third house of water bearer, inviting you to analyze the inner talks you have with yourself. In spite of Lilith being religious in 22nd, you pushes you to not to be. Being in a retrograde is going to have focus your inner self, but possessing more self-esteem. Uranus will be in the retrograde in the fourth house Aquarius, which will shake you ground a bit, making you feel less secure about your home and family connections. However, don't look at this transit and interpret it as being a punishment. Seeing it's nothing else but a chance for you to build up your own security. Look at the patterns you are following and heal yourself emotionally. Coming to the Kira career and finances. Okay, what is about the September? About the career and finance. Okay, until September 16, you business work prospects are looking very good. Decide to take advantage of the this month by solving the financial issues you have on hold. Signing contracts or starting a new business or getting new job the where you could be completely dedicated from this date on. It would be a good idea for you to adapt a routine, especially to the fact that many things are going to come in your way, which means you need some stability. Pieces who are students will be tremendously rewarded from their intellectual efforts, so they should expect to win a scholarship, especially starting on with September 8th. As far as money goes, it can be said all natives of the fish will be the balance and know how to put something aside. They have been doing this for some time already, so now they can afford to spoil themselves. Yet they won't do it because they are thinking about the future. Health is the wealth. It will be very enjoyable to have more willpower in September. Pieces need to pay attention to some of the health problems they have been experiencing for a quite while. Those of them who are suffers of a chronic disease may need to follow a new line of treatment. They will be enough to energy to do so, but they need to make sure that they stick to it. Furthermore, it's important to fish natives to pay more attention to their diet. So you also shouldn't binge eat because they can cause them to have a good bad mood. They will not be able to go to get rid of easily. So this is about for today. Thank you so much. I need a subscription and don't forget to watch daily horoscopes. Please tell to your friends, family members, your relatives. Ask them to watch my channel and subscribe me. A like button also. Please press it. Good day.